Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are going to discuss about the problem related to the chapter areas related to circles. First question, find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. So what and all they have given? They have given the radius R is equal to 6 centimeter and angle of the sector, that is theta, is equal to 60 degree. We have to find the area. A is equal to how much? We know the formula of area of a sector, that is A is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Here theta is, they have given, that is 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r, they have given radius, that is 6 square. Here 0 get cancelled, 6 ones are 6 are 1 by 6 into pi. 6 square means that is 36. So 6 ones are 6 are. So what is the answer? 6 pi. They have given here in centimeter, that's why centimeter square. So area is equal to 6 pi centimeter square, or if they are told you have to use the pi as 22 by 7, you can apply 22 by 7 into that is into 6. You can simplify and you can write it as 18.86 centimeter square. That is the area. Next question. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So here the length of a minute hand, that means R is equal to clock. That's it's circle, correct? Clock means. So length of a minute. So it will say the radius, correct? R is equal to 14 centimeter and they have given the minute hand in 5 minutes. It have covered 5 minutes. So one revolution means that is 360, correct? Or it which is equal to 60 minutes. So we have to find the angle, that is theta is equal to, they have given 5 minutes. Here total in a clock there will be a 60 minutes into, we have to find in, we have to write in angles, degree, correct? That's why we will convert that into 360 degree. One revolution means that is 360 degree. 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 are. So theta, the angle of a sector, the given clock, that is theta is equal to, for 5 minutes, 30 degree. Next, we will apply the formula, that is A is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So theta we have found out, that is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r, they have given radius, that is 14 square. Here if we use pi is equal to 22 by 7. 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi 22 divided by 7. I will write this 14 two times. Or you can write it as directly 196. Here I will write it as 14 into 14. Why? 7 ones are 7 twos are, correct? And 0 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 12s. Next again we can simplify, correct? 2 6 are 2 7s are 2 3s are 2 11s are. So here what will happen? Remaining is 11 and here 2 is present into 2 into 7 divided by 3. So 11 sevens are 77, or you can say 7 twos are 14, 14 elevens are, that is 154 divided by 3. 154 divided by 3, or approximately you can say it as 51.33. 3 5s are 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3.33. Correct. So here they have given the radius, that is in centimeter. So area will become in centimeter square. So 51 area A is equal to 51.33 centimeter square. Here also, I think in this previous also centimeter square, correct? Area we got in centimeter. So I hope you understood this problem. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section, and the points, key points related to this, areas related to the circles, the chapter is in the previous video. You can watch that. Thank you for watching.